My name is Teresa Todd. I've invested in hundreds of properties since 2018. Since then, I have built a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio, and I am here to give you all my secrets.
Hello, gorgeous. Welcome back to the Women's Real Estate Investors Network YouTube channel. Today, we're talking about the real estate investing strategy called the BRRRR Method. After watching this video, you should be able to see just how easy it can be to create a rental portfolio. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when we post a new video. So, first, what is the BRRRR Method? The BRRRR Method stands for buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. So let's break that down a little bit. Step one is to buy the property. You always want to look for undervalued or distressed properties because there will be potential for appreciation and rental income. And by purchasing properties below market value, always use the golden formula, then you can maximize your investment potential. I never recommend buying a turnkey property because there's more money to be made if you buy the ugliest house on the block in the best neighborhood, put a little money into it, and make it amazing. You can either do the marketing yourself or you could purchase the property from a wholesaler. And this is the key to the BRRRR strategy. We actually recommend purchasing all investment properties using that golden formula. And that's been discussed in an earlier video, and we'll link that video above. Once you have acquired the property, it's time for step two, rehab. Now, when rehabbing an investment property, always look at the comps to make sure that you're not under improving or over improving the property, because both can cost you some money. Step three is all about generating the income through renting out the property. Remember, we always want our properties to cash flow, meaning that the rental profit exceeds the mortgage, taxes, and any maintenance cost. If you did step 1 and 2 correctly, then you should be under budget and be able to charge more for your beautifully renovated property that you bought at a deep discount. And your mortgage rate will be way lower than if you had purchased a turnkey property. I highly recommend that you always use a property management company for all of your rentals. You don't want to just buy yourself another job. So let them sift through all of those rental applications, find you the best tenant, they will do the credit check, they will do the background check, and you just spend your time looking for your next investment property. Step 4 is refinance. This is the key to the entire strategy. You refinance the property after you've purchased it using other people's money, after you've renovated it using other people's money, and you have leased this property out. The bank will give you up to 80% of the value, and that is when we are able to pay off our private money or our hard money lender. Because you purchased the property using the golden formula, then you should be able to finance the full amount that it cost you to purchase and renovate. And this is a game changer because you're out very little money. On some occasions, you'll even get money back when refinancing. Finally, step 5 is to repeat the process. The beauty of the BRRRR Method is it's a rinse and repeat process that helps investors create a really nice real estate investing portfolio with multiple properties without having to put 20% down each time. So there you have it, the BRRRR Method. By following these few steps, you can leverage your resources, generate cash flow, and build long-term wealth through real estate investing. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you would like to see in the next one. And if you want to learn more about how you can create financial freedom for you and your family, then join me in my upcoming 7-day real estate investing masterclass. It's linked down below. And as always, I'm Teresa Todd, encouraging you to dream big and be brave.